So what we discussed last time was that we will be talking about the 5-step process, where first step is about the clarity. And now I think the one exercise that we have done about your identifying what is the clarity about your skills, and those skills you can utilize for the entire purpose of generating the revenue for you. That entire exercise what we have done, I hope rest of the people have their own exercise, and those people who have already completed, maybe they have refined. So Rupesh, Pushpak, I think we have done together with you. So I hope you now understood and have the clarity that how you can start your income, your side income using your skills. Yeah. Pushpak, I think Pushpak is driving. No worries. Rupesh, you can unmute and tell now what do you feel about that? How you can convert that skills, making your vision statement, making your mission statement, and today we'll go in deep about understanding about the micro niche and the message pitch. That how we can give the message to the world so that we can attract the right kind of customers to our let's say the course or whatever the digital products that you are creating it.
Yes.
Yeah. So how
Actually, now I got clarity means how much we have to target, and for that target, what things are required, and which kinds of questions from the clients will become, and for that questions, how we can prepare means what is their need. I search on that also. So I get that information from my vision when I decided that my target is a good MS creator.
very
So
good.
then so many questions I got from the Google, from AI, and I note down that and I work on that for my current organization currently.
Correct.
And for mission, I target maybe 100 is a big target because per after 3 days, one client we require. But
Right.
let's how can we plan? It's
Yeah.
we conclude now.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And you should have at least the goals which are, let's say, little bit unrealistic also. That's okay. Like so many times we people say that SMART goal, where the SMART is specific, measurable, R stands for realistic. Like, but normally if you even go for little bit unrealistic goal, I always believe in the principle of 10x. Like if you plan for something which is 10x, even if you are achieving 3x, 4x, it is more than the 2x, right? So that is what we always try, that we should at least try for the 10x of the goal. So I think what you have put 100 is correct, and there is nothing to worry about that part. So I want to see the similar kind of GL from other people also, like how Rupesh has prepared that entire part. I want to see that anyone else who has given the try, or otherwise today what I will help is I will give you the prompt in the chat GPT which will help you prepare your vision, mission, your messaging, everything in just a fraction of second. Like you can utilize the chat GPT. I'll help you that part, and we can give the prompt to the chat GPT that okay, this is what my particular niche. I want to work on this. I want to solve this problem. Please give me the mission, vision, and then it will also give you the message, pitch, and everything. So that part we will see. Okay. So anyone has tried anything on that part, or should I go ahead and give you that entire part? Because I have created the chat GPT prompt where we will go and we will discuss about that part. Anyone wants to share? Rahul, Pushpak, Sanchayati, Deepak, Praveen. Yeah. Anyone has tried, like Rupesh has done that one. So let me show what Rupesh has done, and then maybe some of the people you can get inspiration that how you can also put that part. Let me just open. Yeah. So what the vision that is been given and the vision and mission, I'll just copy paste and then I will give it in the chat over here so that other people can see. And maybe we can discuss in further in more about this part. And let me share the screen of ChatGPT screen. where we will go and put the prompt. Okay, let me just share the screen. I hope you able to see my screen. Yeah. So you can write prompt like this: act as expert content writer and expert content writer. I want to solve problem of companies to execute world-class MIS reporting. Let's say currently I'm taking the example of Rupesh. That I want to execute the world-class MIS reporting using Power BI and other data analytics softwares. Give me vision, mission, customer avatar. Like what is customer avatar? That I will explain today. We will go in deep about that part. Tagline, positioning, framework, product portfolio, middle and high ticket. So we will ask for all the three types of products, which will be a low cost, which will be middle cost, and then there will be a high ticket. Then program process, okay. Basically, it should have B2B. Basically, it should help B2B clients to increase the efficiency, reduce the waste, and increase the profitability. Right? So this is how you can write the prompt. I'll just copy paste this prompt so that you can also utilize. I'll give it to you. And once you give this prompt, it will give everything in detail that how it is going to help you. So the vision to empower the businesses with real-time actionable insights by transforming traditional MIS into the dynamic world-class reporting system that drive the data-backed decisions. To help B2B unlock the full potential, build the efficient automated insight for MIS system, reduce the operational waste. Now customer avatar, now we will go in detail about the customer avatar, what exactly is the customer avatar, what is the psychographic, what is the demographics of the customer avatar, that we will go. So basically what pain point we are removing the pain point of removing the manual, delayed reporting, no real-time dashboard, lack of KPIs, high operational waste. I hope, Rupesh, this is what you want to solve the problem, right? Yeah. Then goals, that automation of the reports and dashboard, real-time insights for the faster decision making, better forecasting and planning. Now the tagline, it created your tagline, which is like a वो जो होता है ना Nike. Agar if you go for Nike, just do it. They say that just do it, right? So
Yes.
that is kind of tagline that you want to create for yourself. From data chaos to clarity, power your growth with smart MIS. Yeah.
Yes.
So then positioning statement, like positioning statement or the pitch is something like an elevator pitch where it will help you. Like I am Gaurav Dakshini, I help pharma and biopharma professional to upskill so that they can scale up themselves. This is what my positioning statement, right? This is how your positioning statement can be. We help mid-size, like hi, I am Rupesh Patil. I help mid-size large B2B companies in manufacturing, pharma, and in the industries to move from outdated manual MIS to the real-time automated data analytics. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the rest of the thing, like they can cut the cost, efficiency improvement, maximize the profitability. Now this is the framework. Why the framework? Because your framework should be unique from the other people so that you can execute. Because if everyone else is doing, if you do the same thing, it is like a too much of competition. You do something unique, like you provide your solution using some kind of unique framework, unique process that will give you the next age, that will give you the better age, right? So maybe this is the power MIS, like plan, organize, wire, execute, and review. Simple 5-step process. So
Yes.
that you can go to the customer and say, I can plan for you that what is your current status, what are KPIs, what are goals, what are challenges. I'll organize, I'll make it clear structure and give it to you in terms of ERP, SAP, and SQL. And then maybe I'll build the entire dashboard for you using the Power BI, Tableau, or whatever that software that you are currently using, or maybe you want me to use the anyone that you want to. Then you execute, like automate the refresh cycles and set up the rules and review, and then the monthly optimization and training. This is how you can come in. You go to the customer, you give this 5-step process. They are very clear that Rupesh is going to do step 1 this, step 2 this, step 3 this, and then finally my entire thing will be ready. Yeah, Rahul, Sanchayati, is it making sense, guys? Ganesh, Praveen, Pushparaj. I'm not able to hear
Yes,
anyone.
sir.
Maybe.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes.
Yeah. So this is how the clear your framework will be. Then we'll go into the product portfolio, that how you can create your own product. Like you can go for the low ticket product, which is 5K. As I told you, you can start with 5K. That I'll give you Power BI template for pharma and manufacturing. Like you can prepare the entire template and just give it to them. Maybe they already have some backend data coming in. They can patch the template. Maybe you can give a dashboard starter package, like pre-built visuals. Okay, then maybe DIY, do it yourself reporting, like on demand. Like you may give the masterclass, do it yourself reporting. So you may record the entire course and you can give it to them as a video course, as a video masterclass, where you can explain that how the visual should be built, what kind of KPIs we need to build in, how it is going to increase the efficiency. That entire part, like whatever you are going to give one-on-one sessions or all those things will get recorded into that, and then you can sell that. Then mid-ticket, maybe you can do the boot camp, which is a 4 weeks live support. Then industry specific Power BI implementation kit. High-end ticket, like high ticket clients, like you give end-to-end MIS transformation, like 3 to 6 months. Like you start from scratch with the entire process, and then you convert the entire automated dashboard reporting for them. And then it is a process like discovery, blueprinting, dashboard preparation, automation training, same thing. Like Power MIS, that 5-step process is there, same thing. And then you can use like lead magnets, you can use some kind of problems, myths, some kind of the tools which are, I will help you also that part in today's session, that how you can become more visible in the market, that this person, if I want to create any kind of MIS or automatic the MIS reporting, I need to go to the Rupesh. So how that visibility will come into the picture. So that part we will see today. So mind blown, guys. This is a very simple, very easy to follow particular step. I'll now give you this prompt, and now we can utilize this prompt for the other people. Like anyone wants to try, maybe you can unmute and then we can take that particular part.